Friends, I welcome you all for the online class of moral science. As I already started the 5th chapter, but today I am just taking a part of 5th chapter. As it is not coming in the examination, I will be telling you how to prepare for your examination for the pre-midterm. As it is on the midterm, as it is on Monday, you have to prepare all the particular parts. This time also MCQ pattern will be there. Prepared your moral science video. MCQ from the inside the chapter, all the line statements, what is said by whom, what lines has what importance, what forms, what thing, everything you have to make, like fill in the blanks, and you have to learn it so that you can attempt the MCQ patterns questions. Okay, as last time you have prepared, but same way you have to prepare now also. 20 marks MCQ questions will be there. You have to attempt the Google form will be there. Through Google form you have to appear for the exam and you have to submit the form in the given time. So that was the same. So nothing is for the moral science pattern to prepare there. All the 4 chapters has been explained to you people. It is well explained to you people so that you can prepare for yourself exam. Many questions are there related to that question. You can form any one line statement so that you can be prepared for the answers of that questions. What is self-talk, what is positive thinking, like was the questions. Now the next thing is what I was telling to you. I was teaching you the personal character building. That chapter I was teaching you. Let us have the proceeding of the character building character chapter. Character, as I explained to you, the most important part of the life, because after the death of the person also people are known from their character only. People remember them through their character, what they played in the living of their life. So character plays a very important. Students has before the from the time we have taken birth till our death, and after death also it is remembered in the visions of the people. So that is how that's why character needs very important formation, and it can be formed when we are having strong desire for forming it with strong natures and personality. Let us proceed with the next part of the chapter. Characters we were learning, character do not change, opinions alter. Definitely people do not change, but people's views changes for the people. Opinions alter, but characters are only developed. Benjamin Disraeli has explained it. It is not easy to find out what others think we are, but what we do after learning their opinion is important. If you are not able to face the truth, you are likely to get upset. Again, if you are self-analytical, it is possible to make what you think you are, to coincide with the person you are. So it is not easy, student, to find out what the other things we are. It is very possible to make what you think you are and to coincide with the persons you are. The following age-old formula may be helpful in you assessing those around you. He who knows not and knows that he knows not is a fool. Leave him. As I already explained to you people, the lines stated here. He who knows not means he doesn't knows anything, and he pretends also that he don't know. That is not wrong. So the person is a fool, so leave him, because he don't want to know anything and he is not knowing also what he must know. So that person we have to leave him. He who knows not and knows what he known not is simple. Teach him means he knows. He who don't know but who want to know, we must teach them what they must know. Okay. He who knows and knows that not that he knows he is asleep, wake him. Means a person who knows everything but don't want to use it, make him wake so that he can utilize what he knows. He who knows and knows that he knows is wise. Follow him. Definitely the person who knows everything and he is doing also according to the things what he knows. Definitely we must follow the person so that we can also develop our character. Character is the sum total of a person's values, attitudes and behavior. Our behavior consists of our actions and reactions. These actions and reactions reflect the attitudes we have towards people, things and events. Our attitudes, on the other hand, shaped by the values that we hold dear to us. Values, attitudes, behavior forms a character, personality. Values, the good values what reside, like for example, kind nature, humble, politeness, these are the values. Attitude, what way we look the life. Positive attitude, negative attitudes are there. Positive attitude, we always focus on the positive attitudes. These will develop good things in us and also help us to see the life a beautiful world. Behavior. Our behavior also pretends. Sometimes people's behavior is not so good. So behavior is very important. Behavior plays a very important role for the character building. What others observe and experience about us is our behavior, which may gradually reveals a certain pattern which others may call by the term character. Character is thus the result of two things: mental attitude and personal values. A good behavior complements a person, but it is formed in stages and are best formed from the inside out. So that is mental attitude, students. What other observes and experience about us is our behavior, which may gradually reveals a certain pattern which others may not call by the term character. So character is just the result of two things: mental attitude and personal values. Mental attitude, what we forms by thinking, and personal values, what we are already having in our life, that help us to form the life. No person can for a considerable time wear one face to himself and another for the public without having to finally face the embarrassment of the breaking of the mask. See here, students, whatever person we many times see, some people are there so nicely they pretend something and there are something. We think how nicely they are living a life. They are actually not good, but before others they pretend good, and maybe at home there are what there are we can come to know. So that are the things that people, those who are having two masks, they can, that mask if it is removed, definitely their whole life will be open before the peoples, and that mask will not be for a longer period of time. It will be embarrassing the people how they are living the life, but how they pretend before the people. Once a merchant had a misfortune of owing a large sum of money to a money lender. The money lender, who was old and ugly, fancied the merchant's beautiful daughter and so proposed a bargain. He said he would forego the debit if he could marry his daughter. Both the merchant and his daughter were horrified by the proposal. So once a merchant, what they did, there has a misfortune, unluck of owing a large sum of money to a money lender. Okay, that given a large sum of money to a whom? Money lender. They have owed from the money lender. The money lender, who was old and ugly, fancied the merchant's beautiful daughter and so proposed a bargain. What he did, the person, the merchant was having a daughter, beautiful daughter, and the money lender was very ugly person, and this ugly person had demanded for merchant's beautiful daughter, so he proposed a bargain. He said he would forego the debt if he could marry his daughter. He said to take the money what you have taken from me, but I will forget every debt what you have taken from me if you will marry your daughter with me. Both the merchant and his daughter were horrified by the proposal. Definitely no person want to give his daughter for the little sum of money or the big sum of money, anything. They don't want to give the daughter. They got terrified. Now what to do? The money is needed, but they cannot give the daughter also. The money lender said that he would put a black pebble and a white pebble into an empty bag. The girl would have to fetch one pebble from the bag. If she picked the black pebble, she would become the money lender's wife and her father's debt would be forgiven. But if she took out the white pebble, she need not marry him and her father's debt would still be forgiven. But if she refused to pick any pebble, her father would be thrown into jail. Very difficult situation the money lender arises for the daughter and the father. What he said, if he will be dropping two pebbles in the one in one carry bag and one in the another carry bag, one will be the black and one will be the white pebbles. If the daughter pick up the black pebbles, so that will be the decision in which the daughter have to marry the money lender and his father's debt will be forgiven. But if the daughter picks the white pebble carry bag, then what will be happening? That money lender will forget the debt of the father and will not marry to the daughter also. The third option says that if he don't want to pick up any bag, then definitely he will make his father to be jailed. They were standing on a pebble-striven path in the merchant's garden. The money lender bent down and picked up two pebbles and put them in the bag. The sharp-eyed girl noticed that he had picked up two black pebbles. The money lender now asked the girl to pick one pebble from the bag. The girl put her hand into the bag and drew out one pebble. Without looking at it, she fumbled and let it fall into the pebble-strewn path where it got lost among other pebbles. Oh, how clumsy of me, she said. But never mind. If you look into the bag for the one that is left, you will be able to say which one I had picked. Since the remaining one is black, it must be assumed she had picked the white one. Imagine the embarrassment of the evil-minded money lender. One needs to develop a smart personality in order to deal with adverse situations of life. What the money, if not understand this particular last line, in the last line it has been clearly stated. The money lender was showing his cleverness and he put two pebbles, black pebbles only in the carry bag, so that definitely he will get married with the daughter. No white pebbles was there in the carry bag. He said two pebbles he will be dropping in the carry bag, one will be white and one will be black. But he not leave any choice for the girl, and he kept two black pebbles, and the girl had already seen that what the money lender was doing, that two black pebbles she had dropped, he had dropped. Now what the girl had used the mind. She said, if I will pick up any one pebble from the carry bag, it means the another will be the next in the carry bag will be the white. If I will pick black from the carry bag, it means the next is the white. And if I pick from the bag white pebble, it means the next is the black pebble. So that way she dropped the mind of the particular money lender. She was much more clever than the money lender. Imagine the embarrassment of the evil-minded money lender. So evil-minded people are there that they want to use tactics to make make the people full and to take their precious things from their life. One needs to develop a smart personality. That's why it has been said. According to Holy Bible, be wise, as serpents, and innocent as doves, says the Holy Bible. The three factors of personality, when we see the three essential factors of an individual personality are sincerity, knowledge, and service. Sincerity, when we see student, you must be yourself. Trying to imitate and ape someone else is a dishonest thing. Of course, we need to learn from others, but we must do it for our own way. Sincerity is more important than beauty or poise. So that is the sincerity, student. You must be what yourself. Trying to imitate someone is very wrong. Ape someone else is a dishonest thing. Of course, we need to learn from others, but we must do it our own way. Sincerity is most important than beauty or poison. Knowledge, when we see lack of knowledge makes you fearful and diffident. You will be dominated by people. So it is needed that you must have the knowledge, what is needed for living a life. Knowledge is power, it gives you confidence. Service point of view, when we see social service gives you several opportunity to express yourself. Service of others make you selfless and patriotic. It helps you develop several positive values and attitudes that are essential attributes of good character. If you have a charming character, you have defined your personal boundary with a wide space that allows your people boundaries, enable you stand up for yourself and stop doing things just to please others. A person of character does not become a doormat. He is able to identify unacceptable things and say no as and when required. A man of character is honest and clear-minded. With tact and respect, he leads others to live a respectable life. So character is what you think in the dark. Dwight L. Moody. So this was the personal characters formation chapter, students. So a person of character does not become a doormat on that anyone will come and use it and throw it. That way doormat will not become. If you will be having a strong personality, people will like to have a surrounding like you, and people will like to have friends and relatives like you, and even they want to have the company of yours in every moment and every time. So a strong character must be formed by every person, though there are small or big, that doesn't matter. Even a poor person are having a strong character which can fail a rich person's character. So a strong character can fail anyone irrespective of the money and other factors of living a life. So that is the point about character. Now we comes to what is the exercise part. What is character? What is a developed self? What happens if you are not able to face the truth about your negative character? What does our behavior consist of? Name the three factors of personality. These are the various questions related to the chapter. Okay, and here many tabular data are there. Your parents disapprove of your friends. You. Why? You listen and try to understand what they are feeling, whether you do or not. So many things are there. In tabular data, it is very interesting. In the next class we will be doing. As I hope you have got the particular syllabus of your midterm portion. As already it was declared in many times a video, 4 chapters will be coming in the midterm, 1, 2, 3 and 4 chapter. Yesterday your class teachers also had dropped the message midterm in the written way, what chapters will be coming. Hope you have prepared for all the MCQ patterns. Like the pre-midterm, you prepare all the MCQ pattern questions from inside the chapter, as it will be coming from inside the chapters. Be prepared for each and everything what has been explained in the first 4 chapters. Thank you for today's class. Have a nice day.